In the name of God, hello, I am Mahdi Niazi, and I am here with the Augmented Reality and Virtual Reality Training Package. Let's have an overview of the content of this training package. In this training package, there are a total of 17 lessons that include about 7 hours of training. In the first topic, we will introduce augmented reality and virtual reality, or AR and VR, and we will have a history of each of these two and a comparison between them. Then we will proceed to prepare the work environment, which includes installing Unity and the necessary tools. We will also explain how to create the necessary accounts on the Unity website and the necessary assets that we will use. In the subsequent videos, we will go ahead with creating a project using a pre-prepared and pre-animated 3D model, which can serve as the basis for our future work. In the fourth lesson, we will learn how to have buttons for the three main actions: moving, rotating, and resizing objects. As you can see, these buttons are placed at the bottom of the screen. Then, we will teach how to perform the mentioned actions, moving, rotating, and resizing objects, using the touch screen and touch panels. Our sixth lesson is about the virtual button, where we will learn how to consider a part of the template image as a button that allows us to perform a specific action by holding our hand on it. The seventh lesson of this package is about detecting multiple targets simultaneously, and with the help of distance scaling between them, you will learn how to execute a specific animation. Then, we will learn one of the most practical concepts in this field, which relates to head detection, and the best example in this case can be the Pokemon game. In the next section, we will go to video streaming, which can be included in our project both online and offline. In the video, we will look at the features and characteristics of image targets that can help us better recognize each target and achieve 5 stars for the approved targets on the Vuforia website. Then we will provide you with a package of martial arts animations, which has a real price of about $80 in the Unity Asset Store, but here it is offered to you for free. We will also show you how to use it with a small example. In the next lesson, we will learn how to make them appear more realistic by adding shadows and objects, making their movement seem more natural to the user. In lesson 13, we will also explain how to use another package from Unity that is offered to you for free, which is available for purchase on the main Unity website for about $40. Then we will address another practical concept, which is augmented reality without a target image. As you can see in the image, without having any target image or marker, we were able to implement an augmented reality project using the phone's gyroscope. And one of the highlights of this educational package relates to the project setup for virtual reality VR glasses, which you can find few similar examples of elsewhere. In this section, concepts such as shooting bullets, weapon animations, player movement, and their navigation towards the camera are taught. Combining these elements with VR glasses can create interesting projects. In the 16th topic, we will address the combined use of augmented reality and virtual reality. Finally, in the last video of this educational package, we will focus on user interface design. As you can see in the image, buttons are placed on the right side, each performing hand and foot strikes or jumping, while the buttons on the left side are used for turning the character and whenever the phone's camera is. If it is unable to track or recognize the pattern image, our menu options will simply be deactivated until they can find the pattern again. Finally, I hope the educational topics discussed will be useful for you, dear ones, and I sincerely thank you for your companionship. Thank you.